guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Gigi, and today is the winter solstice. So happy winter, guys. It's officially winter, and it does feel like winter out there. And because winter is the shortest day of the year, the first day of winter, shortest day of the year, we are going to go ahead and make a set of celestial nails because we have the longest period of night, and it just seemed like the perfect time to do something like that. So I have 3 coats of this Laguna Moon blue polish, and now we're coming in with a matte top coat just so I have a nice surface to go ahead and paint on. This one had a little bump. There was a little bump there. And so I cleaned off the sticky layer, and I'm just using this little file to clean it off. And then we're going to hit it with the top coat. And it'll be like, boom, that never, what, bumps in my nails? I don't know her. So now we're going to go ahead and cure those, and boom. And as you can see on my little palette there in the upper corner, I've got some gold polish. That is the same gold stamping polish that we used on the Noel nails last week. Ding, I will go ahead and give you a little linky-dink up there. And now I'm coming in and making a circle, pretty much. We're going to start with a circle because we are going to go ahead and do a quick crescent moon, which I say quick, that is a lie. It took me a long time to make this moon. And honestly, this is the second. There's another nail that's in the garbage now and will never be seen by anyone unless they dig through my garbage, and good luck with that. But I didn't like it as much. It was wrong. So I got rid of that. The cats just freaked out outside because the sprinklers came on. So there's a lot of feral cats in my neighborhood, and one of them just screamed. I hope he's okay because it is cold out there. So anyway, what I'm doing is making my little crescent moon. Now I do want to say my original intention had been to make a face for this moon, and so I am going to add a little bump for his nose. Guys, try as I might, there was no making a face that looked good. So he's got a bump for a nose, and you're going to have to imagine he's got a face because he don't have a face. So but I am going to really make an effort this next year to improve my face painting. I'm going to look up some videos. Maybe once I get a COVID vaccine, I can go out for a class or something. I'm going to try to up my skills even more this year, which you know is the whole goal of this channel. So we're going to really try to kick it up because I do want to make faces. I really love those nails where people are really like pulling out all the stops, and I want to bring those to you guys as well. So this guy should have had a face. He doesn't have a face. So you're going to have to just imagine one of your own. So now we're coming in and just making those rays of light that are coming off the moon. And as you can see, I made a little mistake there where it didn't really come through. Like the line wasn't solid, but as soon as I did it, I thought, oh, I should have been doing that from the beginning. Let's go ahead and roll with that. So it was a happy accident. Glad I made it, because now those broken lines, I think, really bring it to another level. So let me know in the comment section if you agree with that. Now I'm just using this the same way I did with the Noel nails to just size it out. Where do I want that to go so I can make the other part of the circle, which is probably like a quarter of the circle, not much more than that. And of course I'm going to come in with my handy dandy and clean it up. Here we go, my handy dandy brush, and clean it up. Sorry, I got a message and it distracted me, so if I sounded funny there, that would be why. And I'm just going to fix that line, and then we're going to pop it right in the lamp. Guys, I have to tell you, that's maybe my favorite circle I've ever made. There's a lot of circles in this actual set. This is going to start as a circle. It doesn't stay a circle, but it will start as a circle. And it makes me really happy that I'm getting better with my circles. I really am trying. So now what we're going to do here is not just a typical like twinkling star. We're going to go for a star burst. And this set is going to have a few star bursts and a few twinkling stars. I'm not going to show you all of those because it does get a little bit repetitive to watch me do the same thing over and over. And I'm sure you know that from all the channels. I bet I'm not the only nail channel you watch. And I'm sure that if the same thing is done over and over, that's just too repetitive. So it's like I was watching Evie the other day at Long Hair Pretty Nails, and two of her nails were exactly the same. And so she did exactly what I do, which is just show you one of those nails, right? And I totally understand that because, you know, you want to make the nail video and entertaining, not, you know, monotonous. So that's why I'm not gonna, wow, that was a long explanation to say I'm not gonna show you all of those. So here is the other half of the circle, or quarter of the circle, and we're gonna go ahead and come in and just make those same style of lines that represent the light coming from the moon. And okay, right here, as soon as I did this line, I was like, oh no, I made a road. But once you get it all done, it ends up working out and looking good. And also though, as I was making this nail, I was like, it feels so Egyptian to me. So keep your eye tuned. I feel like there's some Egyptian nails in our future. So now that we've got the sun, or rather the moon, finished, and we've got one of the starbursts done, we're going to go ahead and make a planet. And our planet is going to be kind of a Saturn-like planet, so we're going to make this really cool circle. And right here I'm deciding that circle's too small. So we're going to make it a little bigger. And again, I'm really proud of my circle. And I am going to do like a little swirly technique at the end to give it sort of a cool finish, I guess you would say, because this polish definitely has like a pearlescence that you can leave sort of a pattern in, right? I'm not sure how else to say that. But here we go with our little ring. We're going to do one little ring. And I'm going to do some more stuff on it off camera. And then I'm going to come in and just barely outline that ring with black so that it stands out against the planet. Otherwise, it just really fades into the background and it doesn't look special. But as soon as you hit it with that black, pow, there it is. Now that girl is showing her rings. She's showing her rings. I don't know why that did that. Look, there's the picture that I sort of modeled it against. All right, guys, now we are going to go ahead. I'm just adding some dots, which I don't know how that got cut off, but here we are with some top coat. I'm going to do matte top coat, but before it's completely matte, you'll be able to see what it would look like somewhat if it was shiny, which honestly, you have to let me know. What do you think? Should it be shiny or matte? Because it's pretty both ways. And I think that you even get more of a see-through quality if it's shiny. But there's something about it being matte that just, look at that, it's gorgeous. Guys, let me know if you like this set in the comments section. Be sure to hit all my buttons while you're down there because we're going to have a lot of fun next year. And I've got some fun videos planned for the rest of this year. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Mwah! Bye-bye.